Hi, third graders. This is Mrs. Schrader-Shook again, and I'm coming to you with another relationships activity. So this is building off of the activity that you did last week, the 21st. So here we have third grade relationships number 2 coming out September 28th. There are 11 slides, so make sure you have your paper and pencil with you for these slides. And this is due October 5th at 8 a.m. Remember, at least half of the slides need to be complete and correct, so that would be 6. If you have 6 of the slides correct, then you are good. If you have less than 6 correct, then I will send it back for you to fix, all right? So I'm going to go in. And your first slide looks like this. It looks very similar to what your activity looked like last week, but let me just briefly go over what's happening. So here we have your words on the top. Then you need to answer how are the 3 items related. So you need to say what is their relationship between those 3. But then this week you also need to add another item that fits into that relationship. So last week you just had to tell me how they were related. This week you also need to add something else that fits. So we have wheat, rice, and barley. Remember, if you don't know one of those words, you need to write it down on your piece of paper. And then here we have the link that will take you to dictionary.com. So let's pretend I know the word wheat, I know the word rice, but I don't know what barley is. I can go to dictionary.com. I use it as an educational tool. I ignore the ads and I start typing in barley. Okay, it looks like a cereal plant. It's in the grass family. Okay, so it's a grain. So barley is a grain. So then I can go back to my activity. I know that barley is a grain. I also know that white is a grain. And I know that wheat is a grain. So I pull up my text box. The relationship between all 3 of those items is that they're all grains. What's another grain that would belong in that family? If I don't know, I can go back to dictionary.com, and since I know that they're all a grain, here it's giving me a list. A grain is a small, hard seed, especially the seed of a food plant such as wheat. Oh, there's corn, rye, oats. Oh my gosh, there's so many that I can choose from. So you can always go back to dictionary.com to help you. So I see that corn is a grain, rye is a grain, and oats are a grain. I can choose any of those items, and so I'll put oats. Sometimes I have oatmeal, so that comes from a grain. So that would be at slide number 1. Okay, then let me just take those off. You would go to slide 2. How is a coat, shirt, and pants related? And then what's something else that could match with those items? Milk, water, and coffee. What is the relationship with those 3 items? Wednesday, Tuesday, Friday. Again, this link will show up on every slide in case you need to look something up. Blue jay, robin, hawk. Train, airplane, car. Book, paper, pencil. Grass, dollar bill, shamrock. Apple, cherry, tangerine. Valentine's Day, Easter, Hanukkah. Julie, Kimberly, Veronica. So that gets me through all 11 slides. Remember, if you need, when you're on dictionary.com, one more thing, if you click on this sound icon, it will pronounce the name for you. And one other thing that might be helpful for this week, since you're also finding another word that goes with it, I could click this arrow, and instead of definitions, I can go to synonyms. Synonyms is going to give me words that are the same, that mean the same as grain. So if I switch it to synonyms, here it shows me all different synonyms for grain. Now the ones that are darker, you can see cereal and corn are the darkest. That means that those words have the strongest connection to grain. So when you are selecting your words, some of these still might be a synonym for it, but these two, the darkest ones, are going to be the ones that have the strongest connection. Okay, so that will take you to thesaurus.com. And if you want to switch back, you just click that arrow and go back to definitions, and that will take you back to dictionary.com. Okay? All right, I know you can do it. You did it last week. It's just one added piece this week. Have fun with your relationships activity, and I will see you again next week. Bye.